Hello YouTubers. Today's review is the 59 Chevy El Camino special release street rods by AMT. Oh, this glare is terrible. That is a nice kit. I was going to do this yesterday, but I ran out of time. Build it your way stock or street rod. Opening tailgate, steerable front wheels. Fun to assemble, 1/25 scale. Okay. Includes 2 complete engines. Build your choice. 348 Chevy V8 triple carbs. And let's check out the overview. All them wonderful pieces. And then the decals, but we can't really see those, can we? All right. Skill level 2. Some white walls. And it says Firestone. Okay, and then there's another set of tires. And Goodyear. And these are the squishy ones. The other ones were hard. Two choices. All right, we have the chrome pack. Bumpers, wheels, grills. That was rhymed. Bunch of stuff here. Looks like some leg pipes. Right there. Valve covers. Looks like covers for the transmission. It looks like the chrome timing cover. Headlamps. Well, I don't know what those are. Maybe. Stick shift. Mirror. License plate holder. Very cool stuff. Okay. A bunch of pipes. Shocks. Front end steering links. Steelies here, seat belts, wheel backs, mufflers, exhaust system here, steering wheel, springs, and then your pins for your wheels. And there's the other side. Nice. Okay, and then there's, looks like your tailgate. Rear end, subframe, more bumpers. Some nice looking bumpers. It's a lot to work here, and a lot to work with. There's the other side. Hardly any flash at all. The bed. for the El Camino and your fender wells. Some nice detail. Not sure what that is. Looks like a little flashing there. Bonus. And there's the back side. Okay. And the interior tub. Some detail there. Little texture on the seat. That's pretty thick. And your pedals. See the little carpet texture. All right, there's your tailgate, and that's, I guess you get 2 tailgates. Firewall, dash. That's a cool looking dash. You got some extra flash on there though. Okay, some heads, engine blocks, set of 2. Looks like we're missing a manifold here. Oh, there it is. It fell off. There's your valve cover, and there's your other head manifold. Belt, pulleys, and exhaust pipes, manifolds, air cleaner, water pump, timing cover, another set of belt and pulleys, intake, starter. Looks like part of the master brake cylinder. And a fan. Okay. Oops, sorry. Bumping into stuff. Okay. Couple supports on it. And then the front, some placements for you. One's large, one's small. I guess you can only put it one way. Let's see, what year is that? And then the fender wells are built in too, and this is some detail. Radiator. Okay, and then there's the chassis. Bunch of detail there. And it sits flat. She sits flat. That's very nice. Let's take a look and see if the hood fits. And let's take a look at the here. Can't really tell. There's some yellowing there. Looks real close. Real close. Okay, and some more yellowing on the hood there. Well, this has been sitting a while, hasn't it? Can't get it to go in there. There it goes. That fits real nice. Well, you're gonna have to get yours now. That's gonna be really, really nice to build. Some clear, translucent, red, and there's another piece floating around. And there's the clear, one piece. And we have the optional red or clear. That's nice. I'm going to do a red on red. There you have it. And axles. Well, axle. There's one axle for you. And then decals. Oh, look at that. That's nice. Street rods, license plates, RJ's drywall. Okay. Very nice. And the little booklet. Wheels and tires. Very cool. All right, well, there you have it. EMTs 59 El Camino. I got this on Amazon for $27.99, free shipping. I don't know how long it's going to stay like that. I think they're regular 36. So grab yours. Well, I thank you for subscribing. Thanks for your likes, comments, sharing. You all have a great day.